Hello traders, welcome back to Trading on Ice. Regarding my position opened yesterday, my Bitcoin short, things are going quite well. I'm at the moment on 70% profits, which is quite good, playing on 30x leverage on Binance futures. I took some profits already. So yesterday night I published this tweet here saying that I could probably wait for a little breakout to touch this 200 smooth moving average, the red line, which it happened. So I took some profit already. The price retraced a little bit. Let's take a look. But maybe this actually represents opportunity to open yet another short position on the Bitcoin or adding to my current position, right? But before we delve deep down into the analysis of the Bitcoin price action, let's take a look on our favorite risk benchmark, which is the S&P 500. So as you can see, the S&P 500 on the weekly, we have this rather indecisive candle, almost a doji-like candle. Let's just put on the daily already. So on the daily chart, as we were expecting, the Bitcoin price entered back into this consolidation zone here, the purple box, where we have observed in the past, a recent past, consolidation going on for a bit more than a week. So now we entered the same zone. At the moment, we are supported by the 200 smooth moving average, but I am not very hopeful for the S&P 500, which actually is a good thing for our position, because as you can see, the price didn't even reach the top of the purple box, like on the past consolidation here. It wasn't even the case. It didn't reach the top of the purple box, which is not a good sign. Added to this doji-like candle, very indecisive candle. It's not very strong in my opinion. Although we do have on the daily chart 3 white soldiers, this, and this, which is rather a bullish chart, right? So we'll know more by the end of this day. To me, big question mark here. We are consolidating, although I'm rather bearish actually, despite of the 3 white soldiers. I'm rather bearish at the moment, especially because just about these 3 white soldiers. 3 white soldiers trading. Quickly take a look. So that would be it. You see those 3 guys here. But on the other side of the thing, if we take a look on the hourly chart for the S&P 500, we have almost a diamond shaped pattern, which is a reversal pattern, having as targets, taking a trend line from up to down and on the breakout point. If this diamond chart pattern plays out, we would go back out of the purple box, which also would reiterate a loss of bullish momentum, which is actually, as you can see, reiterated also by the MACD with a bearish crossover. Anyways, moving on. DXY. For the DXY, let's back to the daily. So for the DXY, we have this very important breakout from this trend line, which is rather bearish, but at the moment, I have a Fibonacci here, we are being supported by the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is a very good news for our position. We want the dollar to go up and the Bitcoin to go down. Yeah, so that's the the situation for the DXY, we found some support here, so we might ride this DXY pump, let's say like that. However, not only this breakout from this big yellow dotted trend line is a very bearish sign, but we also can observe on the weekly DXY chart a substantial bearish divergence. So if you see, we have a lower high on the price section and a higher high on the price section, while we would have a higher high on the RSI and a lower high on the RSI. So this is a textbook bearish divergence on the weekly. With this playing out, I would expect further downwards movements to the dollar on the weekly charts, maybe even to retest this important monthly area of value here of this trend line. But for now, we are not there yet. For now, we are being resistant, as I mentioned. The price supported. Sorry, the price is being supported by the .5 Fibonacci level. So yeah, for now we are good. Okay, so Bitcoin. For our Bitcoin chart, we are still not out of the woods yet regarding the bearish flag. So the bearish flag is not invalidated yet. This can very well play out, although I'm not sure to which extent. I believe that we will be reaching 13k again. It's possible, yeah, but if I take into consideration the fundamentals, that would be a bit hard to swallow this pill. In any case, this could play out to be just an ascending channel, where the take profit would probably be here on the 382 or on the .5, right? So 100k and 700k. But yeah, our current position actually, let's turn on the short term and go back to the hourly chart. Oh, look, that's good. So our position, as you can see, we are in good profits. The price touched yesterday the 200 moving average, where some profits were took, and now we are going to retest this, converging to a possible breakout from this micro pattern here, this descending channel. So most likely, if I wouldn't be on a position at the moment, I would probably open a position now on this breakout, right, riding this breakout, something like this. Okay, something like this. So I would probably open a position like this should we break out, which we will likely break out. As you can see, we have resistance 1, 2, 3, but we have support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, consolidating around the bottom trend line of the channel, and with this shooting star like candle here, I would bet my chips that we are going to break out from this micro pattern, and breaking out from the 200 smooth moving average. This would be rather bearish in my opinion. mm, that's pretty much it for today. So we are going to keep our position open, eventually even open a new position, or add to my position. Let's see how things will play out. I will certainly keep you guys informed on Twitter, or I might just record another video later on or tomorrow or so. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.